Alright, here we are at part 3 of our exam review answer key. So if we want to find the value of x, we need to write a proportion. Since these are similar, they're not congruent. So I'll take x minus 1, pair that up with 6, and then I'm going to make sure I don't use the y, so I'm just going to use 16 and 12. So I'll have 12x minus 12 equals 96. 12x will equal 108. X will equal 9. 24. Triangle similar? Well, I don't know unless I find the missing third angle. So I'm just going to quickly do 180 minus the two angles I have. And this angle over here equals 65 degrees. This one equals 66. So this one can't be 30.4. So these are not going to be similar. You don't have a pair of angles. Okay, for 25, I want to find the length of plot 3 here along Cheshire Road. So that's going to be my x. So parallel lines cut off proportional parts. So I can go 40 over x equals 48 over 64. Cross multiply. 40 times 64 divided by 48. You get 53.3 repeating yards. Okay. If I want to decide if a triangle is a right triangle, I'm going to try the Pythagorean theorem. So the longest side would be my C, this would be my A and my B. So I want to know if 24 squared plus 143 squared equals 145 squared. Now my calculator, they both equal 21,025. So yes, this is a right triangle. Alright, now we're on to the trigonometry part of the review. So if I want to know cosine x and I'm missing the angle, that's when I do that inverse cosine. So on my calculator I'll do cosine -1 and then 2 divided by 5. Make sure though that you check the mode and make sure your calculator's in degree before you do this. So I will, on my calculator, make sure it's in degree mode, and then I'll do second cosine, and then I'll do 2 divided by 5. And that gives me 66.4 degrees for my angle. Okay, for problem number 28, I need to write a trigonometry ratio. So I have, from the given angle, I have the opposite, and I have hypotenuse. So OH is sine, so I have the sine of 22 degrees equals x over 16. So I can cross multiply. So 16 times the sine of 22 is going to give me x. So again, on my calculator, I'll go 16 and then sine 22, and it'll be about 6 feet. For nearest tenth, it would be 6.0. For number 29, angle of depression is 5. So angle of depression goes here as well. So I have the opposite and I have adjacent. A, TOA, tangent. So I have tangent of 5 equals x over 4,629. So again, simply cross multiply. So you'll have 4,629 times tangent of 5. And that is about 405 feet. Number 30, you'll want to draw a picture. So I'm going to have a triangle. The highway makes an angle of 6 degrees. So the highway is going uphill. So here's 6 degrees. The angle is maintained for a horizontal distance of 5 miles. So I want to know how high the highway rises. So here's my vertical. So that'll be my x. So I have opposite and adjacent. So this is tangent of 6 equals x over 5. So just do 5 times tangent of 6 degrees, and you get about 0.53 miles. So it goes up about a half a mile within that time.